Dear student, welcome to Gyan Bharati Junior College of Science, Kulgaon. Dear student, previous to this topic we have seen the semiconductor devices. In that we have studied here the half-wave rectifier, which requires only one diode. After that we have seen here the full-wave rectifier and the process of the rectification. Rectifier is the device which converts the AC into DC is called as the rectifier, and the process of conversion of AC into DC is called as the rectification process. So after that we come across the logic gates. So while dealing with the various types of the electronic devices like the computer, laptop, tape recorder, televisions, microphones, etc. So many electronic devices are based on the principle. Means for the operation of such devices we require the resistors, and we have to connect all the resistors in circuit so as to get the output signals from the respective inputs. So this is the various types of the combination. They are built up in one circuit. But here is the option to that resistor circuit given by the semiconductor materials. And that semiconductor materials forms a diode. We have seen the symbol of the diode, operation of the diode, forward bias and the reverse bias is there. So here the diode is used for the conduction of the current in the single direction, that is the unidirectional flow. So here with the combination of the various or the number of the diodes we get here the logic gates. So here logic gates is the electronic circuit which having one or more input signal and only one output signal. And these logic gates are the basic building blocks of all electronic circuits. Got it? So here the basic definition of the logic gate is an electronic circuit, having one or more input signal, and only one output signal, and such a circuit is called as the logic gate. So here a device or electronic circuit or the digital circuit having one or more input signal and only one output signal. So whenever the circuit constitutes the one or more input signal and only one output signal, that circuit, electronic circuit or a digital circuit is called as the logic gate. But here we come across these signals, means input signal and output signal, and we have seen here are the two types of the signals. Means we have seen earlier to this the AC signal, that is the time varying signal. This is the 0, this is the voltage. Means here the AC signal is shown by the sinusoidal wave. Means this is the analog type. This is the analog type signal. So here, when the time goes on increasing, the signal will be low and high. Here is the high value, here is the 0 value, here is the negative high value. So this type of the signal is called as the analog signal. So here another type of the signal, but again it is the time varying signal. So here the 0, and and here is the signal is high. Here is the signal is low. Here is the signal is high. Here is signal is low. Here is signal is low. Here is signal is high. Means some type of the signal is called as the digital signal. This is the digital signal. So here AC signal having the analog type, and this is the digital signal having the value 0 or 1 or anything. Means there is the high value, high, and these are the low values. So in the field of the electronic, the high value of the signal, high voltage, means here if there is the application of the voltage means plus 5 volt or plus 15 volt, it is called as the high, high signal. And this high voltage signal is generated by a logical level is 1 logical level. This is 1 logic level. So if the signal is low, that is the 0 volt, this is 15 volt, this is 5 volt. When the signal is 0 volt, means there is nothing applied to the circuit. So this 0 volt is the low voltage level, low signal, and this low signal is in the logical level, indicating the 0 logic level. This is 0 logic level. So whenever there is the signal is high, you must indicate that high as a 1 logic level, and when the signal is low, that is the 0 volt is applied to, that is represented by the 0 logic level. So we have here the 2 logic level. When the signal is given to the input circuit, means that signal is high level denoted by the 1 logic level, and when the signal is not applied, means it is the 0 voltage or the low signal, and this is represented by the 0 logic level. So logical 0 and logical 1 is the high and the low signal values. So here whenever we give the relationship, that is the mathematical relationship between the input and the output signal, is expressed in the form of the mathematical expression or the statement. That mathematical statement is called as the Boolean expression. Means here is the Boolean expression. Boolean expression. So here Boolean expression is nothing but it is the mathematical statement. Mathematical statement. So these are the definitions. You have to remind this definition. Boolean expression is the mathematical statement. Mathematical statement which gives the relationship between, which gives the relationship, between input and output signal. Input and output signal is called as the Boolean expression. Means here are the various types of the logic gates. Basic logic gates are there. Universal logic gates are there, having the 1 or more inputs and only 1 output. But here is the relationship between the input signal and the output signal of that logic gate, and that relationship is given by the mathematical statement. That mathematical statement is called as the Boolean expression according to the Boolean algebra. That is the mathematical statement which gives the relationship between the input and the output signal is called as the Boolean expression. So here are the some types of the common or the basic logic gates. So here basic logic gates. Basic logic gates. So here are the 5 types of the logic gates, basic logic gates. Number first is the AND gate. AND gate. Second one is the OR gate. And number third is the NOT gate. Number fourth is the NAND gate. and then sixth one is the exclusive OR gate, means XOR gate. XOR gate. So here we have to see here the AND gate, OR gate, NOT gate, NAND gate, NOR gate, and is the XOR gate, exclusive OR gate. So here we have to see first type of the gate, the AND gate. So here these gates are useful for the operation, mathematical operation like the addition, multiplication, inversion. So these logical operations, these mathematical operations can be performed using these gates. So depending on the function, depending on the operation, the logic gates are known as the AND gate, OR gate, NOR gate, NAND gate, NOR gate, and XOR gate. So here first type of the gate is the AND gate. First is the AND gate. AND gate. So this is the basic logic gate. I mean, it is the basic logic gate. Logic gate with two or more. Listen carefully. Two or more input signal or inputs terminals and two or more inputs and only one output signal or the terminal. So here basic logic gate with two or more inputs and only one output, this gate is called the AND gate. So this logic gate performs the function of ANDing, logical ANDing. This function performs the logical ANDing. Logical ANDing. Logical ANDing means logical multiplication. Multiplication. Logical multiplication. Logical multiplication. Logical multiplication. This is the basic logic gate. Now we two or more inputs and only one output. We perform the function of the logical ANDing, that is the multiplication operation. Number third, its Boolean expression is y is equal to y output a dot b. A dot b. Here you have to read like this: a dot b. A dot b. This is the multiplication operation. A dot b. Y equal to a dot b. This is the Boolean expression for this AND gate. Its symbol is AND gate. So here the symbol of the AND gate. Here you have to show the input. Here two input, A and B are the inputs. Here is the output. Output is by letter Y. Therefore Y is equal to A dot B. A is the input, B is the another input. This is the two input and B. Y is the output. Y is equal to A dot B. This is the output. Its truth table is. Now here the truth table. Its truth table is number 3. Truth table. Its truth table is. So here are the two inputs. Therefore here in the column of the inputs you have to write the two inputs. And the first input is A, second input is B, and here is to get the output. And you have to write the output. Y is equal to A dot B. A dot B. So here is the truth table. Means when this A is at logic level 0 suppose and B is again 0, means A is 0, B is 0, Y is equal to A dot B, means it is the multiplication 0 dot 0 is 0. Means here when the input, that is the A input, is at logic level 0, again B input is at the logic level 0, then 0.0 is 0, means output of this combination is 0. Means when both the inputs of the AND gate is 0, you will get the 0 output, means logic level 0, low signal. Again A, when A is at logic level 1, B is at 0, means A is 1, B is 0, therefore Y is equal to again A dot B, means 1.0 is 0, means when the input A is at logic level 1, B is low, 1.0 is 0. Then next, when it is A is at 0, B is at 1. So now A is at 0 level, B is at 1 level, 0.1 again 0. Now, next combination, that is 1 and 1. Means here both the inputs A and B are at 1 logic level, that is the high signal. Means 1, 1. This is 1, this is 1. 1.1, 1. Means signal is given to the input A and B is at high signal. Therefore, A is 1, B is 1. Therefore, output, you will get the output as the 1. That is the high logic level, high voltage. 1.1 is equal to 1. Means here, the output of the AND gate is high only when both of its input is at logic level 1 or at the high inputs. Means here the output of AND gate is high if and only if both of its inputs are high. Otherwise, it is 0. What is that? Means here the output of the AND gate is at logic level 1 if and only if both of its inputs are at logic level 1 of the high signal. So this is about the AND gate. This performs the function of the logical multiplication. So got it? So the second type of the gate is the OR gate now. Second is the OR gate. So this is about the AND gate. We have to see now the next is the OR gate. Second is the OR gate. So again here, this is the basic logic gates. Basic logic gates with 2 or more inputs and only one output. This line is same. Perform the logical ANDing means यहाँ पे क्या करना है आपको ORing प्रोसेस करना logical ORing means logical addition here. This is the logical addition. Process of addition is there. Logical addition. The Boolean expression for the OR gate is y is equal to A or B. Y is equal to A or B. Its symbol is now symbol of the OR gate is. So here is the some curve like this. So here is the input, here is the second input, this is A input, this is B input, and here is the output. Therefore, this output y equal to A or B. Read these as A or B, A or B, A or B. So this is the output. ये आपका हुआ input और ये हुआ आपका output. So this is the OR gate having the 2 or more input signal and only one output signal. This perform the function of the logical addition. Boolean expression is y is equal to A or B. Its symbol is like this. Here truth table of the OR gate. कितने input है? 2 input है. और A or B, A or B, A or B, A or B. Read as A or B, not A plus B. So here is the 2 input A and B. So here we have to give the first input and 0 and B is and 0 logical. Means here both A and B are 0 and B. Means A 0, B 0. A 0, B 0. So logical addition is here. 0 plus 0, 0. Means output is 0. Is when A is at logic level 0 and B is again at logic level 0, then you will get the output as 0. Means low voltage level. When A is at 1, B is at 0. Second combination. Means A is 1, B is 0. Means output क्या है? A और B. 1 plus 0 is 1. Therefore output is 1. Next combination, it is 0 and it is 1. A is 0, B is 1. 0 plus 1, 1. This is the third combination. Then next, A is 1, B is 1. Means here A and B, A and B. A is at logic level 1, again B is at logic level 1. 1 plus 1, 2. But not this is true. ये क्या हुआ अपना 1 plus 1 2, ये तो मैथमेटिकल ऑपरेशन हुआ प्लस का. 1 plus 1 2 तो ऐसे कोई बोल देगा, पर लेकिन ये ऐसा नहीं होगा. क्या होगा? 1 plus 1 मीन्स ए भी सिग्नल में क्या है 5 वोल्ट दिया है, बी भी सिग्नल में क्या दिया है 5 वोल्ट. मीन्स आउटपुट जो मिलेगा मुझे कुछ ना कुछ इसका मिलेगा. मीन्स लॉजिक लेवल हाई आएंगे, और हाई लॉजिक लेवल अपन दिखाते कैसे हैं 1 से दिखाते हैं. देयरफॉर हियर 1 plus 1 is 1. Means here the output of the OR gate is low when both of its inputs are at logic level 0. देखो, so here the output of OR gate, is low. Keep in mind this, the output of the OR gate is low, means 0, low. If and only if क्या ये 1 है 0 है तो 1 आएगा. 0 1 1 1 1 1. तो लेकिन 0 कब होगा? जब इसके दोनों ही इनपुट क्या होंगे 0 होंगे. मीन्स हियर the output of the OR gate is low if and only both of its inputs are at 0 logic level. 0 logic level means low भी बोल सकते हैं यहाँ पे. 0 means यहाँ पे low भी बोल सकते हैं. low logic. So this is the OR gate. So this is the OR gate having the inputs, output, logical addition. We will express y equal to a plus b. This is the symbol. This is the truth table of the काय के लिए है OR gate के लिए. So got it? So the next gate will be taken in the next video.